Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Karlene Maxwell-Williams, and I am the Commissioner for the Great City of Lauderdale Lakes. And I'm also the Lead Citizenship Coordinator for Florida Immigrant Coalition. I am a DOJ rep. So today, with all that is happening, I want to give my listeners, my green card holders, my undocumented people out there, some information on what they should and should not do with what's going on in this time. So, couple of things. One, do not open your door to ICE, right? If they knock, if they do not have a signed warrant by a judge, you do not have to open the door. So I'm asking everyone, how do you open the door? Look at the warrant, tell them to show it up to the mirror of the glass of your window, or slip it under your door that you can look at it before you open that door, because you don't have to open that door without a signed warrant from a judge. Number two, if you are a non-citizen, which you're a legal permanent resident, that you have a green card or your TPS, and you have a EAD, which is an employment authorization, please walk with that with you. Make sure you have your green card in your pocket or your employment authorization card with you everywhere you go right now. In case they stop you and ask you questions, you can show them that you're a legal permanent resident or you're here legally and you can work. So you need to bring that. Number three, if you get stopped and you're undocumented by ICE, because we never know, we can get stopped. You have the right to remain silent. I cannot stress that enough. You don't have to talk. Don't say anything. Ask them that you want, let them know you want to speak to an immigration attorney. That's all you need to say. Anything else, you do not share anything else. If you have a case in UCIS that is pending and you're waiting for an answer because someone is filing for you, bring that receipt letter that you get from UCIS, walk with that with you, and that you can have to show. It won't prevent you from being arrested, but when you do get arrested and your family call the attorney, they will have all the paperwork with you, and you'll be kind of easier process to get you out of jail. Out of ICE. It's almost jail. If you do not have any documents, again, remain silent and ask for an immigration attorney. If you are a citizen, unfortunately, it's going to affect all of us. They don't know if you're a citizen or not, and the only way to prove that you're a citizen is by showing your passport or your naturalization. So you want to carry that around with you. I suggest taking a picture and walk with it on your phone, or if you want to put it in your glove compartment, put it in a protected plastic and keep it there, then you can do so. But please have some protection. If you're a citizen, I advise everyone to apply for your passport card. It looks like a credit card with your picture, but it's a passport, and you just keep it in your wallet. I advise everyone to start applying for that. If you don't have one, get one. If it's safe to travel domestically, by bus, train, plane. If you're undocumented, don't travel by bus, plane, or train. Just don't travel at all. That's not going to be a good thing. If you have a criminal history, don't go anywhere. Stay home. Don't travel. Even if your charges was dismissed, even if your charges, you serve your time and you weren't even charged, but you got arrested and all of that, still, as long as your name in the system, do not travel, do not go anywhere, and again, remain silent. Last but not least, if you travel internationally, like I'm Jamaican, so if I go to Jamaica coming back, if you're coming back internationally, when you go through custom, they may give you a hard time and force you to sign documents saying that you desert your permanent resident here in the United States. Don't be forced to sign that document. If they ask you, tell them you do not want to sign it, you're not going to sign it, and you want to see an immigration judge. And that will prevent you from being sent back to your country and get you have your moment in court. Now, with that said, tomorrow, on January, which is January 29th from 3 to 5, we'll be having an info session, a Protect Your Rights and a family readiness event. It'll be via Zoom, and for you to listen to some great attorneys and you can ask questions and they'll tell you about your legal rights and what you can do. They're all pro bono attorneys, so if you have legal issues, they might take on your case for free. So I advise you, if you have the opportunity to join between 3 and 5 tomorrow, go ahead and join. And it's Zoom. You can go and register, but you have to register at www.flic.org/events, or you can just call the 1-800 number and they'll register for you, which is 1-888-600-5762. Again, 1-888-600-5762. Be safe, and when all fails, be silent. Thank you and good night.